Hey guys, Chris Razor here again over at Xtreme Polishing Systems. Going to be going over our Cheetah Burnisher today. First of all, make sure you like and subscribe to all the videos so you can constantly get the updated content that we're putting out on a weekly basis. As for the unit, this is a 27-inch electric high-speed propane burnisher. We really just started building these for New York City, California, places where you can't run propane. So it's a really nice feature. High rises, they don't want propane. It's a 220 volt, single phase, 40 amp power supply that's needed for this. I'm gonna walk you around, I'm gonna show you some of the features of it. It's 10 horsepower, 385 pounds. We do have additional head weights that you can remove if you wanted to. These will actually unscrew, alleviate some of that pressure if you needed. There is a misting system on the unit, so if you need to spray a little bit of water while you're burnishing, doing any topical polishing, any sealing, you certainly can. The way you'd fill the water up is actually in this little unit valve right here. So we'd be able to fill that up and then just screw this back down. It does have a shroud that goes around the bottom and a vacuum bag system. So it's not an actual suction bag system, but as the unit's spinning in a clockwise motion, it's actually forcing the dust and debris into the bag system. There's two LED lights on front, so it makes it nice to be able to see your working area. Your power supply is going to be connected into right here. Nice little pigtail to keep it out of the way for you. Again, 220 volt, single phase, 40 amps. The way you're going to run the unit is up here. This handle's adjustable, so if you need to tilt the unit back, you can to change your pads on the bottom. Or set it back down, and then we'll just put the handle back down to a good height for you to work with. On-off switch is right here, speed control, and then there's emergency stop. So if you get in a situation you need the unit to stop really quick, you certainly can there. LED lights will work from back here. So that's how you'll do that. And then your spray system. So you'll just hit this to turn on and spray water out and vice versa. This unit back here will tell you how many RPMs you're running, so you'll know what your speed is or if you need to reset the inverter for any reason. But again, that's our single phase, 220 volt, variable speed, high speed electric burnisher. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach me at the number below, and look forward to hearing from you guys soon.